Hey guys, welcome back to UChat tutorial. In this video, I'm showing you a new feature called feedback with the Facebook flow. In your dashboard, go Content from the left sidebar, then Customer Feedback Topics. You can create a new feedback topic by pressing this blue button. And everything you added on the left side, you can get a preview on the right side. I got a feedback topic for the UChat support board as a whole, and you can click the pencil icon to edit it anytime. Firstly, you will need to give a topic name. So this is for internal use only, your client won't see this. And then question title. The default title is how would you rate your experience with the business? So business will be replaced by your page name, and you can edit it to a question you need. Next, feedback type. You got 4 options. So when you choose customer satisfaction score, your client can give you a score from 1 to 5. And if you choose net promoter score, then they can rate you from 0 to 10. And if you choose customer effort score, they can rate from 1 to 7. Or you can even remove the rating and have just a input form here for text feedback. Okay, I'm going to choose customer satisfaction score. So score label, you can change the label here, the left side and the right side. You have many options, negative, positive, hard, easy, all the way to even do not show any label. Okay, and score option, you can choose 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you can choose 5 star or 5 emoji from a unhappy face to a smile face. Alright, I'm going to choose star. And you can choose to enable the input form. So beside the rating, user can also give some text feedback, or you can disable it. Next one, input from placeholder. So this is the gray text that show in the box here. So you can edit it. For example, any ideas about what can be improved, and then this text changed. Alright, next one, privacy policy URL. So here you will need to put a HTTPS URL link here pointing to the privacy policy of your website. Finally, it expires in days. So here you can choose at the moment you send this feedback request to your client, in how many days this feedback request expire. You can choose up to 7 days. Alright, then finally, all good. Let's click save to save it. After making a feedback topic, I would suggest you to build a new subflow for your customer feedback flow, like I did here. So that in Tools, Widgets, you can then create a link. So by visiting this link or scanning a QR code, your client can give you the feedback. Or you might want it to go automation sequence, create a sequence, subscribe user to this sequence so that in 7 days, your bot will automatically send a feedback request to get their feedback. Okay, so let me show you how to build this customer feedback subflow. To send the feedback request, you will need a send message step. And here you can see there is a customer feedback type. Click it, and then you will get this. Alright, I have already created one. So put your title here and your description, and then click this button to edit the button title, and select a feedback topic. So this is what we just made, UChat feedback. After receiving the feedback, you can choose to store the score and the feedback text to variables so that you can deal with it in the flow. So when the bot receives the feedback, it will go to the next step that you specify here. So in this situation is this one, high first name, thank you for your feedback. You can also choose to add the condition step, and to check if the score is too low, say 1 or 2, you might want to send another survey or some question to ask about the situation and what can you help with it. Alright, and then publish. Let's test it. Click the step and then click preview to send to my messenger. Alright, so I receive a request. So this is the title, this is the description, and there's a button here. So let me click it. So I got a pop-up window. How would you rate your experience with UChat.com.au? This is our page name. And then very dissatisfied, very satisfied. So choose your score and then give your comment. Good, and then submit. Okay, so after that, the next send message step shows, hi tester, thank you for your feedback. And if you go back, hit the button again, it shows you the option to rate this business has expired. So you cannot rate twice for the same feedback request. So back to UChat, you can then go to the contents and customer feedback topic to click this icon to see the overview of the feedback result. So the average score is 5, and then you can see everything is listed here, details for each feedback. Finally, 2 things to mention. In the Subflow, you don't need to worry about which tag should you use for this customer feedback. So at the backend side, UChat will automatically use a customer feedback tag for this message, and anything other than that, if that's not within the 24-hour, other message won't be sent. Only this customer feedback will be sent. And customer feedback requests can be sent up to within 7 days since user's last interaction. And another thing to mention is that you can edit your feedback anytime, but please note that if you are using 1 to 5 before and later you change to 1 to 10 or 1 to 7, your analysis data might be affected. Alright, that's all about the feedback feature with Facebook Flow. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, please comment below, and see you next time.